Hi Michelle. I need your help with something.
Of course, Ryan, what's up?
My girlfriend's birthday is coming up and I don't know what to get her.
Don't worry, I'm here to help. What kind of things does she like?
Well, she enjoys art, books, and the outdoors. But I want it to be something really special and unique.
That's great. How about a personalized sketchbook? You could even include some art supplies.
That's actually a really cool idea. She's been talking about wanting to get back into drawing.
And you could also plan a romantic day outdoors, maybe a picnic in the park or a hike.
That sounds amazing. I don't know why I didn't think of that.
Another option could be getting her a book by her favorite author.
That's a good suggestion too. I know she has a few favorite authors. I'll need to do some research.
I'm glad I could help. Just remember, the thought and effort you put into the gift mean a lot more than the price.
You're right, Michelle. Thanks so much for these suggestions. I'm feeling much more confident now.
Anytime. Let me know if you need more ideas or help with anything else.
Will do. Thanks again, you're the best.
Thank you for watching. If you found the content of this video useful, please leave your like and write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos.